These designs are our connection to generations back.
These designs are very much family-based.
There's a legacy there. I feel so privileged to be an artist because I get to create things that we feel are beautiful. We're able to use those inspirations that we see daily on the land.
There's the Navajo concept of walking in beauty, and part of that is creating things of beauty. Weaving takes such a long time.
We would go sometimes from the morning all the way into night and then even into the early morning. We both just really thought it was so special seeing Grandma
turn wool into art. These designs are a legacy of a lot of Navajo families.
It's a way for us to connect to our family generations back.
Through these designs, we can carry on those designs and legacies of other weavers before us.